Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the microphone Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. There you go. And 1, 2, 3. That's what we have in the box. Okay guys. Wow, it looks absolutely not cheap. Very good quality materials. There you go. Wow, it really looks good. This is like a cream color. Okay, there you go. We have here this one that control everything probably, yeah. And then we have the actual microphones, okay, which are absolutely magnetics. Okay, you see. Perfect. Oh, they are super dope. Opposite. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? Then we have this one for the smartphone and this one, which I don't need, for the iPhone, for the old iPhone. There you go. Okay guys, we also have this leaflet, okay, and we have all the stickers. Beautiful, look at them, all the stickers that we can apply to our microphones. Crazy. Hollyland. This is the information book. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you liked it, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with whoever might be interested, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much. Sorry guys, I just noticed that there is a secret door that opens to a secret place where you will find nothing. I'm joking. You will find this lovely pouch, okay, to carry your microphone, inside which there were some lovely interesting gadgets. Let's see what they are. So we've got some nice Hollyland clips, magnetic as well. Okay, you see the magnet here. Okay, and also we've got the lanyard. Is it lanyard in English? Anyway, this little rope. I can't remember if it's lanyard or something else. Sorry, my English is not my first language. And yeah, so we've got this. I guess this one is magnetic too, is it? I think so. And we've got two of them. Yes, they're definitely magnetic. And also we have these dead cat or wind muffler, I think it's called. And then we have this jack wire. okay, jack to jack. I don't know if it's male to male, how is it called, I don't know. Anyway, you will know, guys. Plus we have a lovely wire, USB to Type-C wire. Okay, I think that's all we can find in the pouch. Okay, in the secret compartment here. Okay, thank you for watching the video, guys. Again, please subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and share this video with people that might be interested in it. Thank you very much.